guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky. In today's video I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition dimension. It's actually going to allow me to fight Godzilla. That's right guys, so all you guys are going to need to head to the Godzilla dimension is 10 black wool, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to just place 2 of them on the ground, and then you're going to need magma blocks, and you're going to want to place your magma blocks on each side of the black wool. Make sure that you do not jump up on the magma blocks or else they might kill you. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to place your black wool on top of the magma block, and then you just want to place 2 more after that, and then place your magma block on top just like that. Ow! Make sure you do not jump on top of that magma block guys, because it will kill. Now what you want to do is you just want to place your black wool on top, and then 2 black wool in the middle, and then you just want to go ahead and place the magma block on the side, and then 2 more black wool down, and boom! That's what it should look like guys. Wow, that looks pretty amazing. Even my pig knows it looks pretty amazing, but you better get out of here before you accidentally end up burning your face off or something. Let's go ahead and light this up guys. That pig, he just has no common sense unless he's Herobrine. And then he's probably immune to fire. But let's go ahead and head on in to this dimension. I better eat an enchanted golden apple before I head into this dimension. Let's go ahead and head on in. Whee! Wow, that time I actually landed it, guys. That is pretty amazing. Whoa! Wow, that loaded up quick, guys. And wow, this place looks amazing. I was not expecting for like a whole city, guys, and it even has a bridge. Wow, that's amazing. Where is he, guys? I don't see him anywhere. Hey Godzilla, are you scared of me? Because I'm scared of you, and I'm also scared of what I'm gonna do to you. Oh my god, I just seen some fire, guys. Whoa, that was crazy there for a minute. Oh my god, over there he is. Oh my god, that is him. He is ginormous. Oh my god. And whoa, where'd that baby villager come from? That is kind of weird, guys. You better get in, little baby villager, because he is not afraid to beat up on babies. You want to beat up on babies? Boom, take that, boom, right to the big tail. Ooh, ooh, that must hurt. Ooh, ow, no, he just kicked me. Oh my god, he's playing soccer with me, guys. Oh my god, boom, take that. Oh my god, he threw something at me. I think it was dookie balls or something, guys. Oh my god. Whoa, guys. He is way stronger than I thought he was going to be. Whoa, but we gotta get back out there. Oh my god, he's doing circles now. Oh my god, he's breakdancing. Come on. Come on, show off your stuff. Ooh, he's breakdancing. Wow, he is a good dancer. I would not mind taking him to the dance. Oh my god. Whoa. He hit me with one of his exploding doogie balls, and I went flying like way up into the air, guys. And oh my god, I do not know why he just keeps spinning. It looks like he's dancing. I'm telling you guys, I think he is dancing. I seriously think he's dancing. Wow, take that. The arrows seem to be doing nothing to him at all, guys. He's just like breathing fire out of his mouth and like slinging dookie balls, and it's just like, ugh, it's pretty nasty, guys. It's all fun and games till somebody drops a dookie ball. But let's go ahead and take him out. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. Oh my god, let me eat an enchanted golden apple. Please do not kill me. Thank god. Thank god, guys, I was able to eat that enchanted golden apple. Take that. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, I would not want to be hit there. Boom. Oh my god, he's kicking me. He's kicking me. Well, I mean, it kind of only makes sense. Boom, take that. Boom, right to the buttocks. Boom. Bang! Shamalama ding dong! Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Boom! Oh my god! He actually blew me up with one of his explosive dookie balls. Right back up to regular ground. Boom! Take that! Oh my god! No! Whoa! This is crazy, guys. This is just crazy. He is really trying to beat me up, and boom! There he goes. Oh my god! We killed him. And for some reason, there's still like this shadowy figure. I'm not really for sure why, guys. Maybe that's another Godzilla. I'm not really for sure. But he is stuck in the building. He's just like stuck in the building. He's probably one of our friends, because it don't look like he's trying to attack us, guys. But look at how ginormous those doogie balls were, guys. Like, those are some pretty big doogie balls. If you're letting out doogie balls that big, you better go get checked, because that's gonna do some damage or something, guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension, and also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.